Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you what you can do if your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is lagging or working slow. So if your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is lagging or working slow, you can fix this problem by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do when your device is lagging or working slow.